This video is brought to you by Binary Bot Real Account. Leverage small $30 trading capital for huge gains on the synthetic markets. The official binary options robot provider for the Deriv trading platform. All info is in the description.
Traction money like magnets, yeah. I got that habit, yeah. I'm a fanatic, chasing and taking it.
What is up, guys? It's your boy PabloPipsFX. Welcome to another video from Forex for Beginners. Today, guys, I'll be showing you my amazing XAUUSD strategy that is for gold on MT4 mobile. Alright, but before we jump into this video, guys, you know what time it is. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and just become a subscriber, guys. You know, be notified when we release cool strategies like these that you can use to make money. It's that simple. Alright, so jumping into this video, guys, we've been releasing a few strategies. Basically, it's my principle that I use, and this strategy can be applied to basically any chart, guys. So, you know, basics, principles following overbought, oversold, you know, momentum, you know, places of interest in the market. Alright, guys, that is how you retain these sniper entries. So I've been making a few videos. Go ahead and check out the videos. If you're a Deriv trader, you like to trade VIX, some of these strategies will be very useful for you. So go ahead and check out those videos. Alright, guys. So jumping into this strategy, guys, we're going to go to our MetaTrader 4 mobile. Right now we are on the 1 hour chart. As you can see, I got my stop loss set up right here, and you know, my entry was right here. I'm on this line right here. Alright, so far so good. We're floating in a bit of profits. Like I said, this is the 1 hour chart, so each candlestick form here takes approximately 1 hour to be completed. Alright, so right now we're at $108, a little bit over $100 here in profit. I'm not ready yet to set my target profit. I think I'm gonna trail my stop loss a little bit. So let me see if I can just move my stop loss down in real time. You know, because we're not trying to lose anything. We're just trying to close in these profits. You know what I'm saying? So come like this and move down our stop losses a little bit. And I'm doing this from my PC, guys. You're gonna just see it automatically switch here on the 1 hour chart. Right now, just want to make sure that we're securing those profits. So there it is right now. So as you see, guys, my stop loss went and moved a little bit. So even if price comes like this and move back up, you know, we're still securing a bit of profits in this trade. Okay, we're not trying to lose anything. So zooming into the smaller time frame, guys, as you know, you always start with a higher time frame. Let's zoom in a little bit, see how that market momentum really is. So yes, we are seeing lower lows on the market, indicating on this trend, pullback trend, all right, to the downward side. All right, so basically that's how you confirm that market is actually moving in the direction you analyzed on the higher time frame. All right, but we don't just stop here. After analyzing market structure and confirming that the movement is currently trending down, you want to go ahead to either 1 minute or 5 minute chart, guys. Preferably I use the 5 minute chart. Reason being, it shows a bit of structure and a bit of real-time opportunities to enter the market. All right, so right now on the 5 minute chart, we can confirm that we're also seeing lower lows going downward, guys, right here, which confirms that the trend is in fact in motion, going down right now as we speak. Also, I do take note that price has just broken an important level there of support, previous support, which pushed price up. All right, pushed it back down. There's a level of resistance right here, came and pushed price down. Price retested once more, which led to breaking this level here in the next downward momentum. All right, guys, but let me show you how this strategy works. So you don't really need a lot of indicators to apply the strategy, guys. I'll go ahead and go to my indicator list right here, and you can go ahead and just take down these indicators that I have currently on my MetaTrader 4 mobile. All right, so we're using 3 moving average, guys, the Kinko IO on the main chart and the stochastic oscillator. I think that is one of the most important indicators that I'm using. All right, so let's start with the first moving average. So the period is 50, shift is 0, method is simple, and you guys can pause the video if I'm going too fast, all right, just to catch up. All right, so method is simple, apply to close, style 4 pixels, color is orange, and there's no levels for that. Okay, moving to the second moving average, period is 2, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close, style is 4 pixels, all right, color can be purple, there is no levels for that. Okay, and the third moving average is period 7, shift 0, method is simple, apply to close, style is 4 pixels, all right, color can be pink. I choose pink, you know, because it really pops out on that black background that I use. Okay, and there's no levels. All right. All right, going to the Ichimoku. All right, so you want to leave the Ichimoku as default. The only thing I suggest is the styles. Okay, so the style should be 4 pixels, Tenkan should be 4 pixels, Kijun should be 4 pixels, up Kumo should be 1 pixel, down Kumo should be 1 pixel, Chikou span should be 1 pixel. All right, and the Kinjun should be blue, and all of them should be black. If you're using a white background, these should be white. Okay, but make sure you pick a color that pops for the Kinjun, because that will be one of your signals. Okay, so heading out of that, and the final indicator, guys, I want you to go to add another chart to indicator window 1. That is the window below the main chart, and you're going to add the stochastic oscillator, and you're going to leave that at default, and the style should be 4 pixels for main and 4 pixels for signal. All right, and you want to put those in green and red, just as you see here on my mobile screen. All right, the levels for that should be 20 and 80. Okay, all right, so once you have all those set up, guys, your chart should look something like this. Okay, and I want you to pay attention to the 200 moving average that we added, right, which is this gold line, orange line right here. I want you guys to pay attention to that, and I want you guys to pay attention to the stochastic oscillator, which is down here in your window 1 area. Okay, all right, so how this strategy works, guys, is pretty simple. It's so easy, guys. All right, so first, as usual, like I said in all my videos, guys, just start out on the higher time frames. Right, start off at a higher time frame. You see the ultimate trend. The ultimate trend, guys, is clearly going down. Okay, and you want to make sure that when you're starting off that you really check and see, zoom out on your chart and really make sure you check and see where the trend is going. All right, because this is very important. If you mess up the first and the higher time frame, you're going to mess up all the time frames. So just make sure, guys. So we clearly see that on the 4-hour chart, price is heading down, and it recently made a pullback to this area, which then pushed it back down. So it's really in heavy sell momentum, guys. All right, so once I did that, I go down to my 1-hour chart. Can I see structures of a downtrend? Am I seeing lower lows currently on the 1-hour chart? Yes, I am. I can see lower lows. So we see that price did this. All right, price went boom. All right, higher low. Okay, lower low, pull back. So right now we're seeing that price is just plummeting down, right, guys? So we can confirm that on the 1-hour chart, price is making lower lows. All right, let's go to our 5-minute chart, guys, the chart that actually shows us and gives us opportunities to enter this market. So as we can confirm, look at the 200. Once price is below that 200 moving average, guys, all right, price is just riding below it. See, it's not breaking above that line. Price is just there. You know that the market is sell biased right now, so this is a good time. So what I would do, you know, before I enter, okay, and this is where the stochastic comes in, guys. All right, if you know that the market, right, is currently trending down, right, so market is currently trending downward. All right, what are we waiting to do? We're waiting to have an opportunity to enter for a sell. So we wait until price gets back. If I'm right here and I see price currently at this level right here, I'm not going to enter right there. I'm going to wait, guys, for that pullback. All right, I'm going to wait for that pullback until I start to see price giving me some kind of downward momentum before I enter that trade. All right, so I would enter that trade and then continue to ride price down. Okay, and that would mean profits. This right here would be my stop loss, right where it kind of rejected off that high. Okay, and my take profits would be anywhere down these levels. All right, anywhere where I be satisfied from, that would be my take profit. And you just made a highly accurate trade following these steps, guys, just like that. All right, but right here, guys, you want to make sure, and you can use your stochastic to get this sniper entries, guys. Just like I said, you wait on that pullback, wait till your stochastic gets up to these areas. All right, because you're waiting for a sell opportunity. So when stochastic gets to price 80 and those levels, it has a hard time staying down. And that is as proof, you know, that has been proven many times. If you go ahead and check these areas right here, you see that price makes dips every time it gets to these areas, every time it gets to these areas, every time it gets to these areas. If you're selling from these areas going down to these points, guys, all these right here, right, all this is profit, guys. All this to these levels are profit, guys, if you entered your trades at these points. Okay, and the strategy is as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. The broker that I'm using for this is XNest. Right now, as you can see, I'm up to $134 in profit. So far so good using this PabloPipsFX strategy, man. There it is, guys. Boom, man. Gems, guys. Alright, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave your comments down below, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Show us some support. You know, again, go ahead and like the video, guys. Show us some support. I'm really working hard on this channel. Need to get it out there. You know, if you enjoyed this video, hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay safe. I'm out.